Here I've got LG K50 and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then go to the General, find and pick date and time, it's under System, and now you can either have an automatic date and time or you can switch off this function and set the date and time manually by yourself. So it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also change the time zone, simply click on select time zone and smoothly you can select the one that you would like to have. Let me pick this one. And finally you can change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or you can switch it off and have 12-hour format clock. And that's basically all. This is how you can set up date and time in your device. And once you want to go back to automatic settings, to default one, simply tap on those switchers and now you are back in automatic setup. And that would be all. This is how you can change date and time in LG K50. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.